Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new, please subscribe to get 2 new recipes every week. Today we'll be making Moglai Paratha, a popular Bengali street food. Please keep watching for an extra recipe, special potato curry, which is traditionally served with Moglai Paratha. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. If you want, you can use wheat flour or both. Next, add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil. Combine everything well. Mix the oil with the flour very well till it resembles fine breadcrumbs. This step is very important. It ensures the flakiness of parathas. Now gradually add water to knead the dough. I used half cup of water altogether. Do not pour all the water at once. Knead it for 5 minutes until it's well combined and pliable. Grease the dough with some oil. Cover and leave it to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. To make the special potato curry, you need 2 teaspoons of mustard oil, a pinch of hing. Now add 2 boiled cubed potatoes into the hot oil and fry it. Add in half teaspoon grated ginger, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. Add some salt as per your taste. Now pour 1/4 cup of water. Add half teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon cumin powder in it. When your spices are well coated with potato, your potato curry is done. Now you need to go back to your dough and knead it again for about 5 minutes. Divide it into equal size balls. Cover it and keep it aside. For the stuffing, we need 1 cup finely chopped onion, 1/4 teaspoon grated garlic and half teaspoon grated ginger. Add 3/4 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala and 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder and 1 chopped chili, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as per your taste. Now crack open 6 eggs. Mix it well. You can add coriander leaves or cilantro if you want. When the egg mixture is well combined, your stuffing is ready. Roll out the dough that is nice and thin. Spread some oil on both sides. Roll out as thin as it can be. This is a very important step to get a crispy and crunchy Moglai paratha. Otherwise, your parathas would look crunchy outside but uncooked inside. Now add 4 tablespoons of egg mixture in the center of a paratha. And seal it like this. Fold it from the sides and make sure it doesn't leak out. Now place the paratha in medium hot oil. I am shallow frying the paratha, but you can deep fry if you want. Let me show you another one, as I am going to fry 2 parathas in the same pan. Place the fold side down and maintain the flame medium throughout. Flip it and fry it until you see the nice golden brown color on both sides. Now I'm going to make the third one in slightly different way. This is the way the street side vendors usually make. Instead of combining all the spices in a bowl, what they do, they just put all the spices in the center of the paratha along with the egg. Now they mix all the spices and eggs together like this and fold it as usual. You can do whatever way you like and write me in the comment section which way you like the most. As you can see, our crispy, crunchy and flaky Mughlai Paratha is ready. Take it out from the oil and serve it hot with that special potato curry and ketchup. Do try it at home and let me know how it turned out. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time with my new recipe. Bye.